How to transfer emails from one Gmail account to another. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Log into your account and click on Settings on top right. Click on See All Settings and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Accounts and Import. In here, you'll find Import Mail and Contacts. Click on it and then add your Gmail from where you want to import. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Continue. After that, you'll simply need to log in to your another account. After you've logged into your another account, you're good to go. All your Gmail account information will be transferred. And this is how to transfer emails from one Gmail account to another. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.